तर्जुमान पाक फौज ने वाज़े अल्फाज में कहा है कि जंगबंदी की दरख्वास्त पाकिस्तान ने नहीं बल्कि भारत ने की थी। उन्होंने कहा कि जंग के बाद कश्मीर एक बार फिर फ्लैश पॉइंट बन गया, कोई भारतीय पायलट पाकिस्तान के पास नहीं। उन्होंने कहा कि सिंतास मुआहदे पर पाकिस्तान का मौक़िफ़ बिल्कुल वाज़ेह है।
Let me say it very clearly and put it on record. Pakistan never requested. The fact of the matter is that on the night of 6th and 7th May, once those ghastly and cowardly attacks were made, the Indians requested after those attacks. And Pakistan gave a very clear response that we will communicate back only after we have given the response that this and retribution that this act deserves. So this military conflict has once again put Kashmir right as the flashpoint which needs to be resolved, which needs to be as per the will of the people of the Kashmir. So the position of the Government of Pakistan on the Indus Water Treaty is absolutely clear and no further comment is needed on that. So I can confirm you very clearly, we don't have any pilot in custody. This is all social media chatter. This is all part of the multiple source of fake news and propaganda that has been generated from multiple sources.